Aloha guys! We made it to beautiful Catalina Island. We just got off our little ferry boat from our big carnival cruise boat, and it's just right over there, the cruise boat. It's kind of hard to see, but it's just a couple of meters, I guess. And then, yeah, we're gonna walk around and enjoy Catalina. Yay! Okay, we're just gonna walk. We're walking around the little town area. There's a really small beach right here. I'm gonna show you guys. There's a small beach. It's pretty nice. And then that's the little, well, not, it's little, it's big. That's our big cruise ship over there. But we took a shuttle in, and then we'll have a video about that. It looks like there's the pier. So we'll walk down the pier and have a look. Okay, here's Luau Larry's Salty Verde. There's definitely lots of shopping and fun stuff. Ooh. This is such a nice way to come to Catalina because we just woke up, had a nice breakfast. Whoa, look at the line for ice cream. I guess Scoops is the place where people want to be. There are definitely people from our cruise over here, you can see. But yeah, it's beautiful. And we're just gonna walk around the area, but it was nice. We just woke up, had a nice breakfast, and then hopped right on the little shuttle that took maybe about 5-10 minutes, and we're here on Avalon Center in Catalina, and it's so nice. We're gonna come down this way and check out the, ooh, this place looks fun. Looks like you can rent beach equipment and stuff too. We're gonna go down the pier. Huh. Another opportunity to see a pier of California. Right, Catalina's part of California?
I think it's...
It's not part of the state of California. I would think it's the closest to California. It'll be part of California since it's part of the United States. Anyways, we're at Avalon Harbor. Oh, look at that. Funded by the city of Avalon. Keep Avalon beautiful. And here's all these fun, exciting things. Oh, look at this. Fun things you could do in Catalina. Ooh, I hope my finger wasn't in it most of the time. Oh, there's foxes here. Okay, cool. Hold on, let me switch the camera around. Oh wait, pause it. Okay, we're just gonna check out the pier. It's not very big, but it's very quaint and cute. Okay. Hi, are you paused? Souvenirs, but it is really pretty. Yeah. There's snorkel stuff. We could have brought our snorkel gear actually, because there's really good snorkeling around here on the other side. Activities and tours.
Oh wait, don't run, don't run.
Dive and snorkel shop here. Oh, this thing? Guided scuba diving. Scuba cat.
Cool.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. This is great. Okay, we're at the end of the pier. That looks like you can go fishing. You can check things out over here. There's Harbor Patrol. Okay, we're at the very end. Just taking a picture.